Good morning, everyone. Hello, this is you are in Good XP, and I am Faruk. My name is Faruk. We are building a Next.js blog and portfolio website using Next.js. We are utilizing a couple of other libraries and technologies that could help us with this endeavor. And this is, I think, is the fifth. Oh shit! Sorry. So let me take it again. I am so excited to be here in front of you, so that is why I make mistakes all the time. But anyway, welcome to Good XP. My name is Faruk, and we will continue building our Next.js blog and portfolio website. I am building a website for myself. I am updating my current one, which is a bit stale, and this is the 5th episode, I think. Up until now, we built our project. We get it to a working and ready for development state. So right now, finally, we can build developing. So yeah, we are on my screen now. Cool. So the thing is, yeah, last we build our template component, and on the last episode we integrated our content API into our project. So right now we can fetch the posts we create on our backend CMS, if that makes sense. And we can check that from here. So this is our ghost instance. We are using this as a headless CMS, and I described in the last episode. For the landing page, I will use this as a dynamic content source, and without a push to the repository, or without a change in the server files, etc., whatever, we will be changing the content when we update the text here. It will be automatically reflected in our website. For example, so according to my design, the title here, the heading, or what do you call it, the tagline, will be building better solutions for a better world. And it will be a text here. It will be another post body here in my ghost CMS. I will fetch it using the title as a key, and place it in my hero section component. So when I update this, it will be automatically updated. So the thing we write here will be a dynamic variable. Does it make sense? I think it makes sense. Okay. So this is it. We are all but ready. We are ready to start building this. Okay. So let's do it, right? Let's do it. Why delay? Okay. So now we need to put our front-end developer hat and see what we can do with this one. So this is the landing page. Do I need to open grids here? Yes. Okay. This one also has. All right, but this is only for demonstration. So as you can see, we have a 12 column grid here, and I tried to place these elements in certain intersections of these grid cells. Currently, our grid has where do you see it? Right here. Yeah, we have 20 padding in between cells. Width are 80 pixels, and they are offset by 130 from the edges. So overall, if we think about it, this is let's put a quick calculator here. So we have 12 80 pixel. 12 times 80 is 960, plus we have 11 gutters in between these cells. So this is our width of our content section. The rest is depending on the view width. The rest will be like paddings from margins from the edges. Okay. I feel like I am a bit stuck, so sorry for that. Maybe it would be a bit better if this was a conversational thing. I get very good reception of the content when after it is published, but on the live streams so far, I think the time slot that I am utilizing for this content is not very visitor heavy for YouTube. But yeah, it has its advantages and disadvantages. The only interesting part is I am right now a bit more than usual. I am self-aware that I am talking to myself, and it distracts me a bit. But anyway, so one thing we need to utilize here as well. I did it for text size. It is a dynamic property. So font size is based on smaller screens, on smaller view widths. It is 16 pixel. As the viewport goes bigger and bigger, font size also goes bigger. And I think I demonstrated this. So anyway, we need to do a similar thing for the container size. So the container will be always in the middle, but it should also adjust according to the viewport. As you can see, let me do it like this, perhaps. So you can see the text going. You can see the text is very dynamic, very responsive to the width of the viewport. So the same thing, we are going to do the same thing for the container. I'm not really sure at the moment how I'm going to do it, but in the end we will get to that point. In the end it will be another variable here. So that is one thing I wanna explain. But for now, let's put static values there and start. I am delaying so much. Okay, never mind. So let's copy, as we have discussed earlier. We are copy our template folder. We put it in our components folder, paste it, and start renaming. So we will call this one hero. Right, why not? I am thinking if I should have another layer for landing components, for other components, etc. Shared components, whatnot. Maybe, yeah, let's also talk about that, but let's now focus on building this component. So hero section is fine. We are renaming. Okay. Hero. And this one is also going to be hero. Step by step. Stay on the task. Okay. Now we will take this base template and change. The weird thing is so this is very cool. It worked. We select base template and find every instance of base template in the file and change it. And bada bing, bada boom. It works. Change. Cool. So we have a hero component. Now we start building. First things first. I don't think this will have a variant. Maybe a dark theme and light theme variants, but it is not going to be set at this level. It will be set on the document level. So we won't have any intent here. But we are going to have our, so if you think about this, we are building this thing, right? This thing will be, we have title and description, and those are the only things for this component. Yeah, nothing more. So yeah, let's do it. Title and description and nothing else. Title is a string, description is a string. I think so. Since this will be a functional component, we won't be doing any state management or outside communication, external communication, whatever. Okay, let's continue. Right. And I will remove the intent here. So we don't need this. Sure. I don't know if we are going to have variants. Yeah. This should just invoke the method. Okay. So if we think about it, this will have an H1, or is it going to be an H1? Titles. So H1 is semantically valuable. For the landing page, do we have any other title that is more important than this one? It doesn't mean anything semantically. So it doesn't have any descriptive thing about me. It doesn't carry my name. Maybe I can add something like similar to what I have here. Hi, I am Abdullah. I am Faruk. So yeah, we can have the same element actually. And that can be our H1, but we can change its styling. Okay, yeah, I will do that. So H1 will be it will be an H1 but we will override its class definition. So it will be, I can also make this dynamic. So title, let's another thing, greeting here. String, sure. Don't do it, man. Okay. I need to read the documentation of CVA as well, class variance authority. I saw another Tailwind variants or something like that. I saw another package. npm. Oh, this one. Yeah, they are doing a full-on library if you are interested. They are inspired by CVA. There was a comparison page, yeah. So they are hugely inspired by CVA. But they are building a full library if you are interested. But anyway, so let me see. Because I don't want to granulize my components to that level. So I think I need to build multiple let's see. Okay, yeah. So what I am thinking is, I think I need to write more than one. So maybe hero title here. And this will also invoke another CVA. So that is what I was looking for. I need to write as much as needed, as much style. I need to call CVA as much as I need and create these variables, these objects. Because the other route we can take is to make this a separate component, then make the title a separate component, then make the description a separate component. I am right now talking to myself and demonstrating my thought process, putting it out. So nothing is scripted here. I don't have any preparations. I had them for the last couple episodes, but not anymore. This is my thought process in action. So, and also I am doing a bit more explanations just for the sake of the content. Okay, so there are two routes, as I was saying. One is to have separate components for each element on our component, and basically the hero component will be a super component, will be a high order component. Then there will be a single style object and a single wrapper for it without a subtree. Or we go this way. I choose to go this way. I prefer, because I don't want to granulize the components. I don't need it. This is not that big of a project. We can have it all contained and grouped. Yeah, I think that's it. So we have hero styles. Then we are going to have greeting styles. Not hero. I don't know why I started with a capital letter before. So h1 class name will be, so this is it. What happened, man? I hate switching keyboards, switching operating systems. So this will be greeting styles. And this will be like greeting. Nice. I like it already. This will be title styles. And this will be title. Description styles. And this will be description. I need to invoke because these will be methods. So we copy this. Come on. This is going to be title styles. And this is going to be description styles. Okay. What else? Let's fix this. In fact, we don't even have to do, we don't need this because we are not changing things according based on the props. Interesting, but let's keep our structure intact. Since we don't need this variance object and we only rely on this hard-coded value, actually this is totally an overkill here, but it doesn't hurt us. Let's continue. Let's not break our template. So what else? After this thing, we have our buttons. If you think about it, this here, and we will bring two buttons here. Button 1 and button 2. So this will be it. Explicit type. Sure, I will fix that. Okay. Yeah. So fix the test, greeting, title, description. And here greeting, title, description. We only have one. Hero will be this. Should work like this. Okay. Yarn Storybook. Let's fire it up as well. Hero. Okay. H1, since we set this as H1, you can see. By the way, I realized that we don't have fonts reflecting in Storybook. So I think we need to adjust that. We need to import fonts here as well. Let's check it out, shall we? Import fonts Storybook. Let's see. Fonts. Storybook. Images, fonts, and assets. Static directories. Adding web fonts. We can add this stories, add-ons, static directories. We don't have static directories here, so we can add that definitely. But my fonts are not there, so next font in Storybook. I am distracted, you see. I am looking at something entirely different. Next image, what define port? Okay. Running the storybook. What the hell? Look at this. Load the font in Storybook somehow. For instance, in the preview head. Now we can inject the theme in Storybook's preview. Holy crap. Latest pre-release. Static directories, please take a look. Okay. Local font import. I don't want to use local fonts. Next, font is partially supported. Is supported out of the box? No, it is not. Is it supported? Am I? I don't think so. Times New Roman. This is not supported. Nonito, really? These are Times New Roman. I don't have to do anything. Really? Ah. Okay. Okay, let's check this out. Let's figure this out first. So I am using Storybook version 7 beta dash whatever. So upgrade the main.js. Let's do it. Main.js is framework, Storybook, Next.js, options and empty options object. Add-ons we can remove. Can be removed. Okay, but what are these? Can I remove these? Options, next config path. Do I have font loader? Okay, let's add this. Yeah, their name is source, I think. Cool. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this runs. What does it say? Path is not defined. Fingers crossed. Is it? I think it is not working. Nope. These are still Times New Roman, but at least we are getting the styling right. Ah, buttons. Okay. So this one, just. It should be just, but it is not working. When does it returns back to? Okay, next font is not working. Font family. These are overwritten. This is also overwritten. Why? Set again. Inherited from HTML. Font size. Okay, interesting. Font just is not defined, so we can't reach these variables. to reach those variables, maybe where are they set? They are set here. Okay, so let's check it out. Preview, we can also set the preview. Styling, adding wrappers, story layout. Styling, global decorator. Configuring, rendering. Adding text, adding to body. Okay, so in the preview we can say decorators, and this would be it in the preview JS. Let's try. Do you want to try? Let's try it. So similar to this, I will copy this. Then we will call decorators. And decorators is story. Then we wrap the story. That's it. And instead of theme providers, we are gonna do this. Let's see if this works. Fingers crossed. Missing selected subsets. I need to export it. Export, okay. I need to export this. Is it the problem? No. Now we have the Just. Bodoni. Ah. Okay. What does it say here? Please specify subsets in the function call or in your next config. Wait, I did that. Subset is here. It's Latin. So this one doesn't load. Okay, let's fix that. What is their name here? Is it this? Is the problem? You know what I'm gonna do? I will not this one. Is this my... Where is it? Console. What does it do for me? I'm being stupid. Okay. We can't get to this file. Next config. You know what? I will not bother myself with this. Let's do it like this. I will fix it later. No, why? Oh, it has been 50 minutes already. I think it is working now. Guys, check it out. Okay, I am happy. Okay, this works. Well, I mean, still, we should be able to resolve this, but I don't know. Anyway, at least we fixed that. I will try to optimize it later. Let's go back to our component. So right now, I also need a button component. Do you see? Let's do this. Okay. So first things first, I will go here. I will create a new post. So hero greeting. And for the text, I will copy this all together. Paste it here. I will change this to Faruk. And this is cool. Hi, I am Faruk. Nice. So then, yeah, where was I? We have greeting, we have title, we have description. For the greeting, for hero styles, let's do it. So this should be flex and column. First of all, this is it. Then let's go to our design while we are writing this. So we are strictly looking here. We are gonna need to set a width. Let's put a v full actually. V full is 100% because we set the container on top of this. And this should be margin left, mx left, me left, what was it? Mx margin mx auto is centered. Never mind. This is never mind. Okay, I will think about it. Let's go step by step. So this one also. Okay, let's leave it for now like this. Greeting will be font base, text base. I always miss those. Text base. And probably font bold. No? It should be text base. Very how do you call it? Unannounced. It should be there. Title. Okay. My title is this one. So this is 39 semi-bold Beasley. 39 is, first of all, font. We don't have font Beasley. We have font serif. Font serif. $39 is, let's check what 39 is. It is in our global styles. So 39 should be, let's refer to my scale table here. 39 is 2.442. This one, H2. Cool. So if we change this to H2, it should be already set. We don't need anything defined here. And description styles. Subtext text. This is regular just 20. 1.25. 1.25 is H5. Okay. H5 is cool. Yeah, I can live with that. Or should it be like normal text? H2 is okay. Should this be a bit more bigger? How about this? This is also 20. So let's make this standard thing. This will be a P for now. I will comment these buttons and I will check this thing again. Let's copy the text we have prepared. Editor. I will copy these to my story to have a better visual understanding of this. Title. Title is this, and description. Let's check it again. Okay, we need some bugs around this. That looks okay. We will figure this out. What else? Oh, I need to stop in 15 minutes. at least get this to a point. Can I change the color scheme of this? Where was it? It is somewhere, but I am not sure. What is this? This is a reload. No. Did I set it somewhere here? I don't remember. What is the difference does this make? Do they make any difference? There was something here. Background color. Light. Let's go light. Okay, this is better. Okay, so add-ons are needed. Not essential, but needed. Okay. First, one step at a time. So we are now here. Compared to this thing, it doesn't really tells much, right? But let's set something else. So we are gonna set a width to this one. 1, 2, 3. So this is a 15. So we basically divide the width to 15 and pick fifth of it. So 5 divided by 20. So we are gonna set the width to whatever. Let's see if Tailwind has an already defined width for that. We are not gonna do this width full. 5/20, of course. Nice. And we will immediately see the difference now. How cool is this? But I still don't like it because the words the words should stay on certain lines. At least that's how I feel. Okay. Do I want this Beasley or I want this sans? Text base and also font sans. I can close this. This is only bugging me. Okay. This is better. And we can destroy the margin bottom. Right. Cool. This is getting somewhere. So this is a 5-line thing. Okay. I mean, it's okay. I also have some cool tricks going on here, if I can show you. I want the text to have this effect of, you know, out of focus lens. Like, do you remember the 3D glasses back from our childhood? It gives a silhouette. It provides some kind of you know, stroke and separates the text from the background. It also gives you it helps with readability, but it also distorts the crispiness of the fonts. uh, I felt it looks cool. I wanna go with it as a theme with this design, with the website. Let me show you how it looks. So for example, okay, yeah, do you see the subtle change? I want slight animations similar to this also here. It will also happen on the pen, on the SVGs, on the icons. So I want to have this out of focus or distorted thing. I am experimenting with a couple of different interactions. I will select one of them. Yeah, so let's see where this will take us. But anyway, so how can we do this? If you think about it, where is it? This one. So right now on the design, I did this. What is this? Wait. I have no idea what this is. Okay. So where is this green coming from? Okay. Interesting. Do you see? It is not disappearing. Disappearing. Interesting. Okay. How can we achieve this effect? We can do it with a shadow. So if I inspect this, what does it tell me? It doesn't tell me anything. Text shadow. We have a shadow here. Nice. Okay. You see, it works already. We are gonna define a custom Tailwind class. Okay, let's do it. I have very little time left. So we are gonna extend colors font family, now extend shadows, drop shadow. So this will be secondary to the left. Yeah, let's name it secondary, the color, then where it will cast to the left. Does it make sense? And we will put this here. Now, and the other one is primary to the bottom. And that one is so this is left is 0, top is 0, right is 0, and bottom is 1 pixel. The main color is, yeah, you guessed it correct, Autopilot. So now we come here, we go to title, and we put our shadow secondary, let's see it in action. Let's see what happens. Did it work? Elements. Select this. Maybe it is because of the background. Let's see. Do I see it? I don't see it. Drop shadow is not what I am looking for. I'm looking for text shadow. Why? Invalid property value. I don't remember. Why not? X, Y, blur radius and color. Okay. Let's see. So X is -1, Y is 0. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Cool. So we need this. So it was not drop shadow, it was text shadow. Okay, Tailwind. Come on, Tailwind. Text shadow. No. I'm not looking for drop shadows. Box shadow. Interesting. There is no text shadow here. What does it say? Come on. Drop shadow. Why? This doesn't work at all. Interesting. Let me try X large. So what happens then? Drop shadow. Okay, I can see it, but this is not the one I'm looking for. So maybe I need to check something else. It is not a drop shadow, but it is. Let's go to the text. Text decorations, text color, text thickness. Nope. It is not a decoration. It is very weird that they don't I don't want blur. Okay. Okay. What CSS feature that tell the need ideas in before harder than it sounds. One day I am sorry. The reason for this is justified. It is not the implementation that is difficult. It is the execution. The hard part is choosing the default shadows to include. I have spent probably 20 hours on the problem so far and still haven't come up with a good way to approach it. What are all the problems they solve? How many sizes? We'll do it ourselves. Okay, let's do it. Add the following: text shadow, plugins, and that's it. We can now write text shadow. Okay, so Tailwind doesn't have text shadow. This is new. So we will create a plugin for it. Then we are gonna do it ourselves. Okay. So this should be like this. We copy this thing. We put it here. Does it work now? No, it is not. plugins. I need to export plugin. Okay. F this thing, man. Okay. Nice. Cool. Text. Shadow. Secondary left. Text. Shadow. Primary bottom. Then we need this to be, what was it? X, Y. Then we drop this. So this should work. Let's see. Okay, we don't get the blue one. This is overridden. So can I combine two text shadows? Okay, I can do it. So I need to do it like with a combination. Okay, so we are gonna say then hero title. And this will be a combined value. And then we will have hero text shadow hero title. So now it is done. Okay. We need to also set the color. Sure. Guys, let's end it here. It has been almost 90 minutes and I am going rather slow, but it is okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. We will get faster and faster. This is very different than playing video games. Definitely. But anyway, so this was it. I hope you enjoyed it. You can show your support to me by subscribing, liking, commenting, and helping me with more exposure. Also, your constructive feedback and criticism is most appreciated if you can provide it. Okay, I will be taking a vacation starting tomorrow, so I will be back on 25th of March. Until then, take care, watch my videos, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends.